What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put a front differential in a 1200 wheel horsepower GT-R, and we are going to show you Performance Design and Fab's new shop because they upgraded too. Adrian,
what's up?
What's going on?
Another one.
And guys, like I said, if y'all need any stuff worked on, hit us up. I like collabing with these guys. They're real good guys. Definitely, if you need any fab work, or y'all do some regular maintenance too, don't y'all?
Yeah. Regular maintenance, performance part, heads, cam, intake, pretty much anything that makes your ride better, faster, stronger.
You heard it, guys. So just hit either one of us up, and we'll get you taken care of. But hell, I'm gonna walk around and show you a little bit of their new shop. It's a pretty big space.
211 Craft Street.
211 Craft Street, guys, is the new location. But check out this sweet office. So, guys, come up here and check out Performance Design and Fabrication. But super nice place. There's my GT-R. So first thing we got to do is remove the belly pans on this Venture, and this is the guy that we're going to be replacing. But we're going to get to it and go from there. Alright, we are into the diff, getting the last few bolts out of it. Just have to remove the subframe, and it's pretty much like that bolt, those two over there. Undo the bottom of the control arms, the shock, all that good stuff. But alright.
They're different.
No.
Where are these springs from?
Alright. We got the differential out, and you do have to pull this side out for the intermediate shaft to come out, and you're good to go. Just falls out. There are these 3 bolts up top that you can't see. That's a pain in the you know what to get to. But besides that, it ain't been too bad. Here's both of the differentials, new and old.
One run. Yeah, get a cage. Come back later.
We're gonna get it back together and take it for a ride.
A little fucking macro ratchet getting it.
Alright guys, we got the new diff back up in here. So we're gonna get it all back together, and that's probably the next time you'll see it. Alright guys, we got the wheels swapped out, and then we have it all back together. We're about to let it down and go get some E85. Oh, did I see? I'm at 93. Alright. If you just... Right.
Don't break it on the first pass.
He'll be back here if not.
Definitely tell it's got a built transmission in it. Alright guys, we finished it up. We're gonna go get some E85 and just cruise it, run it back and check everything. Do what?
I know a Tahoe can use a Tahoe.
Right.
You're dreaming again.
Yeah, I know. That's 488 that's a lot.
Probably that's it.
You see the carnage right there.
See the teeth down in there?
Yep.
It's crazy down there.
So, guys, with your GTRs and if you run 21s, this is what happened. Oh yeah. So she skipped about 6 teeth.
Yep, chewed her up good.
Right. All right, guys. That was the front differential change on a 2009 to probably 2020 GT-R. They're all the same. If you have any questions, if you're trying to do it yourself, drop a comment below, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can. Make sure you hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe, and go subscribe to PDF Performance. Go ahead and say it.
Performance Design and Fab.
And guys, you know, I like tag teaming these GT-R jobs with these guys. They're awesome. If you need anything done, hit them up, hit me up. We'll get it done. So take it easy. Have a good one.